Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the EasySMX USB cable for Android and Apple devices. I bought this cable on Amazon for $5. Check out the link in the description. This micro USB cable is flat, very flexible and about 3 feet long. And it comes with a lightning connector, so you can use it for most Apple devices like iPhones or iPads. The USB cable seems to be made of high quality, so I'm sure it will last for a while. If you have multiple devices at home and want to charge them all with just one cable, I would recommend the EasySMX USB cable. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.